How to find a video after the refresh. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find your video after the refresh. First thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok. Now I'm playing the videos and I like this video, but after the refresh this video has gone. Now if you want to back that video, if you did like that video, you're gonna go to your profile and you're gonna see that little heart, tap on there and you're gonna see the video that you liked. Now if you didn't like the video, you can just remember the username. If you remember the username, you can just tap on discover and tap the username. And there is another plan. If you share that video, you can go to your chat and inbox, tap on that little paper plan and go to your chat with your friends and you're gonna find your video. And this is it, this is our video. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe and like.